In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams Live. Suppose you need to show this PowerPoint presentation in your Microsoft Teams live meeting or call. Let's go to Microsoft Teams. Here, I have created a meeting as an example. Click on Join to join the meeting. After joining, in the top right menu, click on Share. In the drop-down menu, click on Screen. It will share your screen in the meeting. Now go to the presentation file. Here, you can show the presentation file one by one. Or you can go to the slideshow option and show each presentation slide in full screen. By doing this, other people in the meeting can get a perfect view of your presentation.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.